welcome to my channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you're at Creativelle Concepts. While the magic happens, we have a good show for you coming up. So stay tuned. Shh. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and installer, Dwayne Lee, and you are at Creativelle Concepts where all the magic happens. So today you're looking at a 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. This is the 392 Hemi engine. So I went on and zoomed this video ahead. So I installed the rear diffuser, the side skirts, actually corner bumpers as well. Okay, side kit, front spoiler. It was a little bit of a challenge because I had to use my quick jack to lift it up to actually get to it. So I apologize, guys, that I didn't show a video of the installation of it. But my customer actually lives in North Carolina, and he just shot down for a quick moment, and I had to go ahead and get this thing knocked out. So with all that, guys, I had to get him done because he, like I said, he traveled a long way, and I jumped on it. Really didn't have time to film everything on it, but you know, putting body kits on is kind of self-explanatory. But turned out really good. It's a beautiful car. Sounds amazing. So he is on his way to come and pick it up. And I just wanted you guys to see it right quick. I'll have some other pictures of it. But beautiful car. Amazing. So hope you guys are doing well. And again, if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, put them in the description below. I'll reply back to you with all that, guys. Take care.